Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to MotoSoul. Hope you guys are doing well. And in this video, we are going to talk about premix and side oil, also known as auto lube or also known as oil pump. So I'm going to refer side oil as oil pump. So in all these two strokes, you'll have to lubricate the engine. So all the engine oil that you add in the clutch cover goes into the gearbox, and it just goes into the gearbox and the clutch side. So the engine oil is just for the clutch bell, the clutch side, and the gearbox, and lubrication is not done in the piston through the engine oil. So you will have to add extra oil in petrol, which would go inside the crank. Let me show you how the oil pump works. So this is my 2002 RX 135, and this is the accelerator cable. I have rerouted the accelerator cable because I'm using the larger handlebar. So this is the accelerator cable. So this comes into a single cable from here, and it converts into two. So one goes into the carburetor and the other controls the oil pump. This is the oil pump setting. So you can increase and decrease this based on the oil pump. So if you open these three screws, you will be able to see the oil pump inside, and this is controlled through this setting. This is where the 2T oil goes inside. This would come in from the side oil bottle, the 2T oil bottle, and this is what it goes inside, and the oil pump pumps it back to the carburetor. So this is the oil pipe that you see. This is the inlet. This goes inside the carburetor. So when you accelerate, if you open 10% of the throttle, it is going to send less oil to the carburetor and to the engine. And if you open the throttle 50%, it is going to send more oil to the carburetor, which in return sends more oil inside the engine. And this is the side oil bottle. If you open this screw, you will be able to access the oil bottle, and you can refuel it. So this has a capacity of 1 liter of 2T oil. So all these old Japanese motorcycles and new Japanese two strokes have oil pump inside. So Kawasaki's, Suzuki's and Yamaha's, all these bikes have. So all these bikes have two-stroke oil pumps. In Yamaha, it is known as auto lube. You can also refer to it as side oil or oil pump. So all these motorcycles have 2T oil pumps, and it is better to use the oil pump because it has its own benefits, and also it has its own disadvantages. So let's start with premix. So what premix essentially means is that you have to mix 2T oil manually when you are refueling. So if you don't have the oil pump running, you can add 40 ml oil, 40 ml of 2T oil per liter of petrol. So for 1 liter you will have to add 40 ml 2T oil inside the tank. So this is premix. You are mixing 2T oil manually. So if you are using premix, you will just have one big benefit, and that is peace of mind, and you are sure that you have added 2T oil and it is going to lubricate the engine. So you have that one big benefit. You don't have to rely on the oil pump. So you don't have to rely on the oil pump for supplying 2T oil. which can be good for your own situation. For example, if you don't have the oil pump running, you can at least use premix. And if you are not sure if your oil pump has some oil seal leaks, or if the oil is leaking and if it's not working properly, or if it's pumping too much oil, so this happens because of multiple reasons. Oil seals, it can be the problem of the bush that works inside the oil pump. So if you are not running the oil pump, you can use premix. When you are using premix, you just have one big benefit. Like I said, you'll have peace of mind. You are sure that you have mixed oil. You do not rely on the oil pump. So that is the only benefit. And the disadvantages of using premix is that you don't have control on the 2T oil. So even when you're riding at 20 or 30 kmph, the smoke would be a lot compared to the oil pump. So like I said, the oil pump is controlled by the throttle cable. So the more you open the throttle, the more 2T oil it is going to send into the carburetor. So the bike is going to use less oil on the oil pump. So if you are using the oil pump, you have a lot more benefit. And if you are sending if you're pumping less 2T oil inside the engine, if you are just using 10% of the throttle, so it's just going to send 10% of 2T oil to the engine, and that in return saves a lot of money. So 1 liter of 2T oil in the side oil, the side bottle, would save you would run at least 700 kilometers or 900 kilometers. It depends on the throttle, on how much you are opening the throttle. So oil pump is actually cheaper to maintain, because 40 ml oil would cost you 14 rupees, and that you cannot trust all the petrol pumps for using the oil, the 2T oil. We are not sure which 2T oil they are using, but if you maintain the 2T oil pump, that's when you can manually add a 2T oil of your choice. So you can either use Motul, Castrol or Shell. So using 2T oil pump is better in terms of maintaining the bike. So the 2T oil pump is better in my opinion, and I also feel that the bike runs better on 2T oil pump. Maybe it's just me, or but I felt that the bike on 2T oil pump runs better. It is smooth than premix. And the disadvantages on premix is that it is expensive to maintain. You'll have to add oil every now and then whenever you refuel, and if you are not able to find 2T oil at a petrol station, then you'll have to find 2T oil, and if not, you will have to carry sachets or 2T oil bottles. So premix has more disadvantages, because you are also adding oil more than needed. So a lubrication is good for an engine, but lubricating more than needed is not good for the engine. It heats up the engine, and it takes time for the engine to cool down. So I would definitely recommend using oil pump. So it is always better to use add extra oil into the tank, especially when you're riding going on long rides. It is always better to add more 2T oil inside the tank, even when you're using oil pump. So if in case the oil pump fails to lubricate the engine, your piston won't seize, and your crank would still be happy that you're adding 2T oil for the lubrication. So if you are premixing, you are adding more oil more than needed. So even when you're riding at 20 or 30 kmph, you will be smoking a lot. The bike would smoke a lot compared to oil pump. So when you are using oil pump, you'll have to check if it's working. I've been using the oil pump from the past 7 years on my blue RX 100, the 1989 model. So I've been using it from the past 7 years and it has never failed. I don't have any oil leaks, I don't have any problems with the oil pump. So everyone who is asking if I have converted my RX 135 to 5 speed, no, this is just the 5 speed covers. So this is just a 4 speed with 5 speed covers. So like I said, if you are using the oil pump, you'll have to check if it's pumping adequate oil to the engine. So that is one disadvantage of using oil pump. It will work for sure, but we are not sure if the oil seals fail inside the oil pump, it is going to be a problem. So if you guys can notice, if you just want to check if the oil pump is working, just remove this pipe from the carburetor and start the engine. If you guys can see, the oil is being pumped. So this is how you check if the 2T oil is pumping oil. So this is how you can check if the 2T oil pump is working. So this is one big disadvantage, that you'll just have to check if it's working every now and then, and you'll have to keep an eye on the 2T oil bottle. You'll have to refuel it whenever possible. So if you miss refueling the 2T oil pump, if you run out of 2T oil, the engine is just going to seize, and then you'll have to rebore the piston. So it is always better to use 2T oil pump, but then you'll have to keep an eye on the 2T oil bottle and you'll have to see if it's working. Just have to keep an eye on it. And sometimes the 2T oil pipe that supplies the oil from the bottle, it might crack and it might leak oil. So you'll just have to keep an eye on the side bottle and just be sure that if it's working. And just to be on a safer side, use 10 to 15 ml of oil in petrol, especially on long rides. In short city rides, you can just keep an eye on the smoke. So that way your bike is smoking, and that means the oil is being pumped into the engine. So it is, in my opinion, I would definitely say the oil pump is better because it is cheaper to maintain now that the fuel prices are going a lot more higher. So back in the day, when I started riding, the petrol price was somewhere around 50-55 rupees, but now it's about 95 rupees here in Hyderabad, 94 something. So with that kind of pricing, that kind of prices, I would definitely say that you getting Mac 2T or Shell, Motul, Castrol. So as of now, I'm using Castrol Go. So this Castrol 2T is selling for about 130 rupees now. So 130 rupees for half liter. So if you are using if you're adding 1 liter, it would cost you somewhere around 260 rupees. And if you go for Mac 2T, that is cheaper, it's somewhere around 110 or 120 rupees, 110 or 120 rupees for half liter. So 1 liter is somewhere around 220 rupees, and 1 liter is going to last you about 700 or 900 kilometers depending on your riding style and depending on how much you open the throttle. If you're riding at higher RPMs or if you're riding at 80-90 constantly, that's when it is going to use more oil. So that's about it for this video. Let me know in the comment section below what are you using. Are you using Premix, or if you guys are using 2T oil pump? And that's about it. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, ride hard, ride safe, and I hope to see you around.